Why is it fair to allow Israel to have a nuclear weapon in which they are the only country in the Middle East with a nuke, and it isn't fair to allow Iran to have a nuclear weapon? I think I know the answer to that question from my point of view, but I want to know why you think it is fair to allow Israel to have a nuclear weapon and to allow Israel to be the only country in the Middle East with a nuke and prohibit or prevent Iran from gaining one.
There are two important points to touch on that. The first one is it's actually never been confirmed that Israel has a nuclear weapon. It's widely
That's true, right.
that Israel has a nuclear weapon. I certainly couldn't speak to having direct knowledge whether they do or don't. I think it's likely that Israel does.
It's highly probable that Israel has nuclear weapons, and I think that's obvious.
It's never been confirmed.
Right.
Secondly, though, when you're comparing a country like Israel, which is the only true democracy that exists in the Middle East, to a country like Iran that funds terrorist organizations, it's very clear why Iran can't have a nuclear weapon.
You're watching iVision TV on Comcast Channel 578, Saturdays from 5 to 6 p.m.